Hey there, and welcome to my second tutorial video, where I want to show you the basics of adding drop shadows to your projects. So let's shine some light on that. When it comes to drop shadows, it's all about your light source and which direction that it's coming from. So for this demonstration, we're going to use the sun and imagine that it is above us and to the right, which means our shadows are going to be cast down and to the left. When I first started learning drop shadows, I found it easiest to imagine duplicating the letter and shifting it in the direction of the shadow. So in this case, we would redraw the letter exactly the same way, only shifted down and to the left with the shadow, and try and keep your line weights the same. But when you're done, it would look like this. And that's the part you would color in for your drop shadow. I'll duplicate that technique on the R just so you can see it done again. You want to try and just copy the letter, but in the shifted position. Try and keep your line weights right. And bingo, just erase the inside of the letter. And there's your drop shadow. Color that in. Voila! The more you practice it, the better you'll get with being able to draw it without actually drawing the whole letter again. Same thing for the P. There you go. For the rest of this demonstration, I'll continue adding the drop shadows to the rest of the letters in time-lapse format so you can see it done and not actually have to watch me do it. Well, I hope that helps some of you better understand the basics of drop shadows. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments if there's any other tutorials you'd like me to create. For more content, be sure to follow my other socials. Links are in the description. Until next time, I'll act like a shadow in the sun and disappear.